In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit budgets in QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, a quick note. The budgeting feature is available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced, and you'll need the right user permissions to make changes. If you don't see budgeting in your account, check your subscription and roll with your admin. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. If you manage multiple companies, make sure the correct one is selected in the top area so you're editing the right set of books. Give the page a moment to fully load. This helps all menus appear correctly. Next, head to the Settings menu. Look for the small gear icon at the top right of your screen. This is where QuickBooks groups administrative tools and setup options. Click the gear to open the panel. If your view looks a bit different, don't worry. QuickBooks occasionally updates labels or layout, but the gear icon remains your go-to for company settings and tools. From the Settings panel, choose Budgeting. This takes you to the budgeting dashboard where you'll see a list of any budgets that have already been created. You'll typically find details like the budget name, the fiscal year, and sometimes filters such as class or location if your company uses them. It's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the correct fiscal year before you edit, especially if you maintain separate budgets for different years or departments. Now find the budget you want to change. On the right side of that row, open the drop-down menu, often labeled Actions or represented by an arrow or 3 dots, and select Edit. This opens the budget editor. Here you can adjust the budget name, review the fiscal year, and edit amounts by account and by month. If you're updating numbers across several months, use QuickBooks' copy or fill features to speed things up, and consider adding notes so others understand the reasoning behind changes. Be mindful that changing structural options like fiscal year or filters can recalculate rows, so double-check your totals afterward. You can also use the small gear within the grid to show or hide rows, making it easier to focus on the accounts you actually budget for. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Take a final glance at key totals to ensure they align with your targets. As a best practice, make edits in one focused session. Keep a snapshot of prior numbers for reference and revisit the budget after major business changes to keep it realistic. That's it, your budget is now updated in QuickBooks Online.